Again to Technologies. In this video I am going to show you how you can solve if your computer does not connect to the internet. The first thing we are going to do is go to the Windows to log for the word control. Okay, open the application and we go to where it says system and networks. This is the second option. In my case I have the computer in Spanish. Go to the first option and go to the second option here, and we can see the Wi-Fi is deactivated. Press with the click right and press deactivate or activate. In my case, deactivate. Okay. Here, I will edit it. Okay, that's all in this case. The second option, which is the following, press Windows more R and M and S comfy and accept. In my case, Windows hasn't searched because in my computer it doesn't done. Once accept here, it does not appear. It's because your device cannot access it. What happened is it'll appear has options and you will go to where it says enable all. In this case there are things that are not enabled on your computer. And that will be all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us here in your